Hello friend, we are going to discuss about all the full form and terms of computer from A to Z. Okay, then now let's start from A. ACE, the full form of ACE, Access Control Entry. ACL, Access Control List. ADO, ActiveX Data Objects. ADSL, Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line. AGP, Accelerated Graphics Port. AI, Artificial Intelligence. ALGOL, Algorithmic Language. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. ANSI, American National Standards Institute. AOL, America Online. API, Application Program Interface. API-PA, Automatic Private Internet Protocol Addressing. APT, Automatically Programmed Tooling. ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASF, Advanced Streaming Format. ASM, Association for Systems Management. ASP, Active Server Pages. ATAPI, Advanced Technology Attachment Packet Interface. ATM, Asynchronous Transfer Mode. AUI, Attachment Unit Interface. AVI, Audio Video Interleave. Now from B, we have completed A. Now from B, B2B, business to business. B2C, business to commerce. Basic, BASIC, beginners, all-purpose symbolic instruction code. BCD, binary coded decimal. BDPS, business data programming system. BHTML, broadcast hypertext markup language. BIOS, basic input output system. BIU, bus interface unit. BMP, bitmap. BPS, byte per second. Now next slide. From C, CAD, computer aided design. CADD, computer aided drafting and design. CAI, computer aided instruction. CAM, computer aided manufacturing. CAR, control address register. CASE, computer aided software engineering. CCIS, common channel inter-office signaling. CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. CD-ROM, compact disc write once read many. CD-RW, compact disc read writable. CD, compact disc. CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing. CDMA, code division multiple access. CDONTS, collaboration on data objects for Windows anti-server. CD-ROM, compact disc read only memory. CFG, control flow graph. CGI, common gateway interface. CGM, computer graphic metafile. CIGR, classless inter-domain routing. CIM, computer integrated manufacturer. CISC, complex instruction set computers. CIX, commercial internet exchange. CLR, common language runtime. CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. CMS, content management system. CMYK, scan magneta yellow key or black. COBOL, common business oriented language. COM, component object model. CORBA, common object request broker architecture. CPI, clock cycle per instruction. CPU, central processing unit. CRC, cyclic redundancy check. CRM, customer relationship management. CROM, control read only memory. CRT, cathode. CUI, character user interface. Now from D, DAC, digital to analog converter. DAO, data access object. Next slide. Continue from D, DARPANET, Defense Advanced Research Project Agency Network. DAT, Digital Audio Tape. DBA, Database Administrator. DBMS, Database Management System. DCA, Defense Communication Agency. DCL, Data Control Language. DCOM, Distributed Component Object Model. DCP, Data Communication Processor. DDL, Data Definition Language. DDoS, Distributed Denial of Service. DDP, Distributed Data Processing. DFE, Data Flow Diagram. DFS, Distributed File System. DHCP, Domain Host Configuration Protocol. DHTML, Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. DLC, Data Link Control. DLL, Dynamic Link Library. DMA, Direct Memory Access. DML, Data Manipulation Language. DMTF, Distributed Management Task Force. DNA, Distributed Internet Architecture. DNS, Domain Name System. DOM, Document Object Model. DOS, Disk Operating System Denial of Service. DPI, dots per inch. DRAM, Dynamic Random Access Memory. DSL, Digital Subscriber Line. DSN, Digital Subscriber Network. DTD, Document Type Definition. DVD, Digital Versatile Disk. From E, Electronic, EAROM, Electrically Allotable Read-Only Memory. EBCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. EDC, Electronic Digital Computer. EEPROM, Electronically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. EFS, Encrypted File System. EJB, Enterprise Java Beans. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. EPROM, Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Next slide. Continue from E, EROM, Erasable Read-Only Memory. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. EULA, End User License Agreement. From F, FAT, File Allocation Table. FDD, Floppy Disk Drive. FDDI, Fiber Distributed Data Interface. FDMA, Frequency Division Multiple Access. FIFO, First In First Out. FLOPS, Floating Point Operation per Second. FO, Fiber Optic. FOR, TRAN, Formula Translation. FPS, Frame per Second. FRAM, Ferroelectric Random Access Memory. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Now from G, GB, Gigabyte. GIF, Graphic Interchange Format. GIGO, Garbage In, Garbage Out. GML, General Markup Language. GNU, GNUS, not Unix. GPL, General Public License. GUI, Graphical User Interface. From H, HDD, Hard Disk Drive. HFS, Hierarchical File System. HP, Hewlett Packard. HPC, High Performance Computing. HPFS, High Performance File System. HSR, Horizontal Scan Rate. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. From I, IBM, International Business Machines. IC, Integrated Circuit. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. ICS, Reduce Instruction Set Computer. ICT, Information and Communication Technology. IDE, Integrated Development Environment. IE, Internet Explorer. Now from next slide, continue from I, IGMP, Internet Group Management Protocol. IIS, Internet Information Server. IL, Intermediate Language. IO, Input Output. IOP, Input Output Processor. IP, Internet Protocol. IPX, Network Packet Exchange. IRAM, Integration RAM. IRC, Internet Relay Chat. IRDA, Infrared Data Association. IRQ, Interpret Request. ISAPI, Internet Server Application Program Interface. ISDN, Integrated Service Digital Network. ISO, International Standard Organization. ISP Internet Service Provider, ISR Interpret Service Routing, IT Information Technology, ITPL Information Technology Park Limited. Now from JCL Job Control Language, jdbc Java Database Connectivity, JHTML Java within Hypertext Markup Language, JPEG Joint Photographic Expert Group, JSP Java Server Page. From KB kilobyte, kbps kilobytes per second, kbps kilobyte per second. Now from L2TP Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol, LAN Local Area Network, LCD Liquid Crystal Display, LDAP Lightweight Directory Access Control, LIFO Last In First Out, LIPS Lips Logical Interface per second, LOC Line of Code, LSI Large Scale Integration, LSP Layered Service Provider. From MAC Media Access Control. MAN Metropolitan Area Network, MAU Multi-Station Access Unit, MB Megabyte, MBONE Multicast Backbone, MBPS Megabyte per second, MBPS capital Megabyte per second, MBR Master Boot Record, MCP Microsoft Certified Professional, MCS Multicast Server, MCSA Microsoft Certified System Administrator, MCSD Microsoft Certified Solution Developer, MCSE Microsoft Certified System Engineer, MDI Multiple Document Interface, MDS Micro Computer Development System, MFC Microsoft Foundation Class, MFT Master File Table, MG Megabyte, MICR Magnetic Ink Character Reader, MIDI Musical Instrument Digital Interface, MIMB Multiple Instruction Multiple Data, MIME Multi-Purpose Internet Mail Extension, MIPS Million of Instruction per second, MISD Multiple Instructions Single Data, MODEM Modulator and Demodulator, MP3 Motion Picture Expert Group Layer 3, MPEG Motion Picture Expert Group, MS Microsoft, MSDN Microsoft Developer Network, MSIIS Microsoft Internet Information Server, MSIL Microsoft Intermediate Language, MSMQ Microsoft Message Queue, MSN Microsoft Network, MSRAP Microsoft Remote Administration Protocol, MSRPC Microsoft Remote Procedure Call, MTS Microsoft Transaction Server, MTU Maximum Transmission Unit, MUDS Multi-User Unions. From NAS Network Attached Storage, NASSCOM National Association of Software and Service Companies. Now 22. NCP Network Control Protocol, NDIS Network Driver Interface Specification, NDRO Non-Destructive Readout, Net BEUI NET Net BIOS Enhanced User Interface, NIC National Informatic Center, NIIT National Institute of Information Technology, NNTP Network News Transfer Protocol, NOW Network of Workstation, NSF NET National Science Foundation Network, New Technology, NTFS New Technology File System, NTP Network Time Protocol. From OCP Oracle Certified Professional, OCR Optical Character Reader, ODBC Open Database Connectivity, OLE Object Linking and Embedding, OMR Optical Mark Reader, ONE Open Network Architecture, OOA Object Oriented Analysis, OOD Object Oriented Design, OOAD Object Oriented Analysis and Design, OOP Object Oriented Programming, OOPS Object Oriented Programming System, OpenGL Open Graphic Library, OS Operating System, OSI Open System Interconnection. From PC Personal Computer, PCI Prevail Component Interconnect, PCMCIA Personal Computer Memory Card International Association, PDA Personal Digital Assistance, PDF, portable document format, PDL, page description language, PDU, protocol data unit, PHP, PHP hypertext processor, PIC, programming interrupt control pilot, programmed inquiry learning or teaching, PLA, programmable logic array, PLC, programmable logic controller. Continue. PNG, portable network graphic, PNP, plug and play, POP, post office protocol, post, power on self trace, PPP, peer-to-peer protocol, PPTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol, PROM, programmable read-only memory, PS, post script, PSN, processor serial number. From QoS, quality of service. From RADSL, rate adaptive digital subscriber line, RAID, redundant area of interdependent disks, RAM, random access memory, RAMDAC, random access memory digital to analog converter, RAS, remote access network, RDRAM, Rambus, dynamic random access memory, RDAT, rotating digital audio tape, RDBMS, relational database management system, RDO, remote data update, RDP, remote desktop protocol, RFC, request for comments, RGB, red, green, blue, RICS, reduced instruction set computer, RIP, raster image processor, RISC, reduced instruction set computer, RAM, read-only memory, RPC, remote procedure call, RTC, real-time clock, RTF, rich text format, RTOS, real-time operating system. From YASDAT, stationary digital audio tape, SACK, selective acknowledgement, SAM, security access manager, SAP, service access point, systems applications product, SCMP, software configuration management plan, SI, small computer system software, SDRAM, scenarios, dynamic random access memory. Continue. SDD, software design description, SDK, software development kit, SDL, storage definition language, SDN, integrated service digital network, SDRAM, static dynamic random access memory, SDSL, symmetric digital subscriber line, SDRAM, scenario graphic random access memory, SGML, standard generalized markup language, SIM, subscriber identification model, SIMD, single instruction multiple data, SISD, single instruction single data, SIU, serial interface unit, SMP, symmetric multiprocess, SMS, short message service, SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, SNA, system network architecture, SNAP, sub network access protocol, SNMP, simple network management protocol, SNOBOL, string oriented symbolic language, SOAP, simple object access protocol, SPX, sequenced packet exchange, SQA, statistical quality assurance, SQL, structured query language, SRAM, static random access memory, SRS, software requirement specification, STP, sealed two-state pair, SPVP, software verification and validation, SW, software. Now from TAPI, telephony application program interface, TB, terabyte, TCP, transmission control protocol, TCP or IP, transmission control protocol or internet protocol, TDI, transport data interface, TDMA, time division, multiple access, TPM, transaction processing monitor, TSR, terminate and stay residence. From UDD, user data program protocol, UDP, user data program protocol. UI, user interface, UML, unified modeling language, UNC, universal naming convention, UNIX, uniplexed information and computer system, URL, universal resource locator, USB, universal serial bus, USRT, universal serious receiver transmitted, UTP, unshielded two-state pair. From VAN, virtual area network, PAST, very small aperture terminal, VB, visual basic, BC or C++, B BCD, video compact disc, VDL, view definition language, VGA, video graphic array, VHS, video home system, PLIW, very long instruction word, PLSI, very large scale integrated circuit, VPN, virtual private network, PRAM, Video Random Access Memory, VRML, Virtual Reality Modeling Language, VS, Visual Studio, VSNL, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड, VVR, Software Validation and Validation Report, VXD, Virtual Device Driver. From W3C, Worldwide Web Consortium, WAIS, Wide Area Information Server, WAN, Wide Area Network, WAP, Wireless Application Protocol, WBEM, Web Based Enterprise Management, WDM, Web Division Multiplexing, WHQL, Window Hardware Quality Lab, Window ME, Window Millennium Edition, Window NT, Window New Technology, Windows XP, Window Experienced, WINS, Window Internet Name Service, WMI, Window Management Instrumentation, WML, Wireless Markup Language. Continue. WORM, Write Once, Read Many, WSS, Windows Script Host, WWW, World Wide Web, WYSI, WYZ. What you see is what you get. X from X to HTML, Extensible Hypertext Markup Language, XML, Extensible Markup Language, XSL, Extensible Style Sheet Language, XNS, Xerox Network Service. From Y2K, year 2000. And last and final from ZIF, Zero Assertion Force, ZIFS, Zero Assertion Force Socket, ZISC, Zero Instruction Set Computer, ZMA, Zone Multicast Address. Thank you very much. We have completed all the full forms from A to Z. Thank you.